Hi everyone, in this video we will see how the generate method of IntStream works and we will generate a stream of random integers. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Now on my ID, now let's see how we can use the generate method. Okay, so IntStream dot generate. As you can see, the generate method is taking int supplier, okay, function as an argument. Okay, so let's see what's an int supplier. An int supplier is a lambda function of basically a functional interface that takes zero input, okay, that takes nothing as an input, but it generates a integer, okay, integer output. So let's see int supplier. Okay, let's create a lambda function that's generate let's say integer 5. Okay, so basically this int supplier is generating 5. So whenever anyone calls the int supplier, it will return 5. Okay, so and this generate method takes this int supplier as a input. Okay, so now we have created a int stream by using this generate method. Okay, so now we can say this as a stream. Okay, so let's see how we can iterate. In my previous video I have already showed like how to iterate over the stream. Okay, so stream dot for each, okay, system.out.println. Okay, so basically whatever in this stream is going to be output. Since there is no limit on how many number of times the generate method is getting called, so this stream will be an infinite stream and each number in that stream is 5. Okay, because the int supplier is returning 5. Okay, so this will be a infinite loop with all the number as 5. Okay, let's see. So see, as you can see, the 5 is getting printed again and again. Okay, so this is an infinite loop. So let's stop this. So now let's see how we can limit this. So to limit this execution, there is a method called limit. Okay, in this you pass a long value that will going to be the limit on the stream execution. So let's say the limit is 3. So this generate method is going to be called for 3 times. Okay, so this will generate 5, 5 and 5. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now let's see how we can use this to generate a stream of random integers. Okay, so in this stream, this generate method is calling this int supplier again and again. Okay, whatever is the limit. So what if instead of this 5 we can generate random integers in each call? So this will generate random integers in each execution. Okay, so math dot random. Okay, so this creates a random value between 0 to 1. Okay, so let's multiply it to 10,000 so that our random number be between 0 to 10,000. Okay, and since this is going to be a double, let's cast this to integer. Okay, so that it should return the integer value. Now we will now the output will be 3 different random numbers. Okay, see, now let's increase this limit to 10. So we will get 10 random numbers. So as you can see, we get all the 10 numbers as a random number. Okay, so this is what the generate method. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Bye.